Do you feel the vibes?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great, and if you're new to my channel then hi, I'm Chikon Dotto. Welcome to my channel, and today I'll be sharing with you this 5 kurta sarara set which I recently purchased from Flipkart, and I will show you one by one. This 5 kurta sarara set is perfect for any casual occasion. So let's get started. This is my first kurta sharara set, and this is from the brand Anavrin, and I tried this brand for the first time. I hope I pronounce it correctly. The price of this kurta sharara set is 2750 rupees, and I got it at offer price of 712 rupees. My size in this particular set is large. It is a very beautiful set from Anavrin. The color of the set is purple, and it's a very beautiful color. I just love this color, and this is my favorite set from the haul. The fabric of this kurta is rayon, so it's too much comfortable to wear it for any time. The kurta has 3/4 sleeves, round neck, and the gold foil print is all over the kurta. It's perfect for any festive wear. I create purple smoky eye look with this set, and I will provide the link in the description box below and in the I button as well. You can check it out from there. I am so much happy to purchase this one, and it has a perfect flare. It has gold border in sarara, in dupatta and in the sleeves as well. This beautiful red and white kurta sarara set is from the brand Baba Kurti, and I tried this brand too for the first time. The price of this set is 2199 rupees, and I got it at offer price of 599 rupees. My size in this particular set is large. The fabric is rayon. It's too much comfortable to wear it. This kurta has 3/4 sleeves, round neck, and it has piping at the neck and the sleeves as well. This kurta set looks stunning for this white palazzo, and I think it's a must have kurta set in the wardrobe, as you can team up this sarara with any kurta. I think it's perfect for any day function or any casual wear. You can easily wear this kurta sarara set at Durga Puja. It's a printed kurta set, but it looks like this kurta has embroidery work all over it, but it's a printed one. This print is a mixture of lots of colors like white, gold, maroon, green. This sarara has a very beautiful flare, and it has red border in it. Now coming back to this black kurta sarara set, it is an overrated kurta sarara set in Flipkart, and I also had an eye in this particular set, so I thought to try it now, so I bought it. This black kurta sarara set is from the brand Zaradeep. The price of this set is 2500 rupees, and I got it at offer price of 622 rupees. My size in this particular set is large. The fabric of this kurta is rayon. It has V-neck, 3/4 sleeves and stripe pattern. For these stripes, it looks so much classy, and these stripes are not a foil print, it's a golden zari work. I will provide the link of all my sarara sets in my description box below. Please do check my description box for all the details of these sarara sets. This black sarara has a very beautiful flare. Recently I did a haul video of kurta skirt set from Flipkart, and I will provide the link of that video in my description box below. You can check it out from there. This kurta sarara set is my second favorite kurta set from this haul. It is also from the brand Zaradi. The price of this set is 3000 rupees and I got it at offer price of 829 rupees. My size in this particular set is large. But this kurta is a bit tight for me, so I will exchange it with extra large. I ordered all the kurta set with large size and all of them fitted me perfectly. I don't know what happened to this kurta set. If you want to buy this particular kurta set, then buy one size larger than your usual size. The fabric of the set is rayon and it has gold foil print all over the kurta and the sarara. This set comes with this kurta, sharara and this unique dupatta. I just love this dupatta. My height is 5 feet 2 inches and I wear a heel of 4 inches for filming this video. If you are below 5 feet and if you want to buy any kurta sarara set, then you have to manage it with heels to get the perfect look. This set is perfect for any festive look and it is very much comfortable and lightweight too. Big Billion Day is coming and the price will be less than now, so you can surely try this set at my recommendation. This set definitely gives a fashionable, trendy and a classy look. Moving on to the last kurta sarara set from this haul, it is from the brand Surhi. The price of this kurta sarara set is 2499 rupees and I got it at offer price of 710 rupees. My size in this particular set is large. The fabric of the set is rayon and it has gold foil print all over the kurta and the sharara. It has 3/4 sleeves, round neck and this particular set has 4 different colors. It's a bright red color and is perfect for any night function. Now that's all for today. You can also follow me in my social media. I will provide the link of my Facebook, Instagram and my Facebook page in my description box below. You can follow me from there. And if you found this video helpful, then do give it a big fat thumbs up. Do share it with your friends and family. Do subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet. Do it now and press the bell notification so you will get notified all the time when I upload a new video. Do comment me in the comment section below as well. If you have any query about anything, I would love to reply each and every question of yours. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, tata, bye bye, take care. Have a great day.